Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you interested in incorporating intermittent fasting into your routine but unsure where to start? Today, we're showcasing 3 fantastic apps that can help you track your fasting schedules and stay on top of your health goals. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced faster, these apps offer valuable tools to support your journey. Let's get started. Intermittent Fasting Tracker App. The Intermittent Fasting Tracker app is a popular choice for individuals looking to manage their fasting schedules effectively. This app provides a simple and intuitive interface that allows users to easily track their fasting and eating windows. It supports various intermittent fasting schedules, including the 16:8, 5:2, and alternate day fasting methods. Users can log their progress, monitor their weight, and receive reminders to help maintain their fasting routine. Additionally, the app includes features like tracking water intake, mood logs, and progress charts, which provide valuable insights into how fasting affects overall well-being. With its user-friendly design and comprehensive tracking capabilities, it's a great tool for those new to intermittent fasting. GoFasting Intermittent Fasting. GoFasting is another excellent app designed specifically for intermittent fasting enthusiasts. This app is equipped with a clean, easy-to-navigate interface, making it straightforward to use for both beginners and experienced fasters. Users can choose from different fasting protocols and customize their fasting schedules according to their needs. GoFasting also offers features like a fasting timer, meal planning options, and progress tracking to help users stay motivated. Additionally, the app provides educational resources and tips about intermittent fasting that can assist users in maximizing their results. With a community feature, users can also connect with others who are fasting, sharing experiences and encouragement along the way. Intermittent Fasting Tracker Android. Intermittent Fasting Tracker Android is a robust app that focuses on helping users successfully implement intermittent fasting into their lifestyles. This app allows users to log their fasting and eating times, set personalized fasting goals, and receive reminders to keep them on track. What sets this app apart is its detailed analytics and statistics, which track fasting durations, weight changes, and overall progress over time. Users can also connect the app with their fitness devices for a more comprehensive overview of their health. It includes a journal feature for users to record how they feel throughout their fasting journey, helping to track overall well-being alongside their fasting routine. This app is perfect for those who want to dive deeper into their fasting experience and gain valuable insights. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of the best intermittent fasting tracker apps helps you find the right tool to achieve your fasting goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and app recommendations. Which app are you excited to try out? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, happy fasting!